Becoming a confident, skilled driver. In today's fast-paced world, the importance of becoming a confident and skilled driver cannot be overstated. With over 1.4 billion vehicles on the roads globally, mastering the art of driving is not only essential for personal safety, but also for the well-being of others. Recent studies have shown that confident drivers are less likely to be involved in accidents, as they possess better control over their vehicles and can react more swiftly to unexpected situations. Driving schools across the country have noted an uptick in enrollment as individuals seek to enhance their driving skills and build confidence behind the wheel. Building confidence while driving starts with proper education and hands-on experience. Reputable driving schools offer comprehensive training programs that cover both theoretical knowledge and practical lessons. These programs emphasize defensive driving techniques, road etiquette, and situational awareness, crucial components for any skilled driver. Instructors at these schools often highlight the importance of regular practice in various conditions, such as night driving or adverse weather scenarios, to help students gain a well-rounded skill set. Furthermore, technology has played a significant role in aiding new drivers to become more proficient on the road. Modern driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking provide novice drivers with an added layer of security while they develop their abilities. However, experts warn against over-relying on these technologies, instead advocating that they should complement traditional learning methods rather than replace them entirely. As cities continue to grow and traffic density increases, being a confident and skilled driver remains one of the most vital proficiencies one can attain, a true life-saving skill set amidst today's bustling urban landscapes.